Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most reliable chains for your chainsaw, the KAKEI Stihl Chainsaw Chain, 20 inches. 0.325 inches pitch. 0.063 inches gauge with 81 drive links. This is hands down the best Stihl MS290 chain out there, and we're excited to break it down for you. If you've been looking for a high-performance chainsaw chain that fits the popular Stihl MS291, MS271, and MS261 models, look no further. The KAKEI chain offers a premium build, made from German steel with a precise heat-treated process that enhances toughness and durability. Whether you're cutting through thick woods or maintaining your property, this chain is built to last. Now, let's get into the specifics. With a 20-inch length and a 0.325 inches pitch, this chain is designed to offer superior cutting efficiency. The .063 gauge ensures a good fit for many Stihl models, especially those manufactured before 2023. It's equipped with 81 drive links, perfect for handling demanding jobs without compromising on precision. The KAKEI Stihl Chainsaw Chain features a full chisel design, which is known for its sharpness and cutting speed. However, this type of chain can cause more kickback compared to semi-chisel chains, so it's important to use this chain with proper technique and safety precautions. While the risk of kickback is higher, the power it delivers in terms of speed and cutting performance makes it worth the investment for experienced operators. One of the standout features of this chain is its attention to detail. The rivets are hardened and quenched, which helps resist wear and tear, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. You'll notice that the sharpness remains longer than many competing products, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. If you're unsure about the specifications, don't worry. KAKEI provides clear guidelines on how to find the right chain for your chainsaw. You can check your owner's manual or the guide bar's side stamp to confirm the pitch, gauge, and length. If you ever need assistance, KAKEI's customer support is ready to help you find the exact chain that matches your saw. Overall, this KAKEI chainsaw chain is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cutting game with a reliable, high-quality product. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this chain will get the job done effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Happy cutting!